Dear customer, welcome to India's first trades platform, RxIL. Being part of RxIL is very easy. Just log on to https://www.rxil.in. Click on the register button and start on your registration journey to avail quick and easy finance. To help you with the registration process, we have a user manual available on the registration portal. The onboarding process has the following major steps to complete and successfully register. Filling the application form, uploading all entity KYC and supporting documents with entity seal and signature of authorized official, uploading all individual self-attested KYC documents, review of the documents by RxIL executive, template generation from confirmation from RxIL executive, uploading the templates with entity seal and signature of authorized official, payment of one-time registration fees as applicable, dispatch of physical copies of documents uploaded during registration. Now, click on the new application and start your registration, or click on resume application to begin from where you left earlier application. To make the registration process quick, keep copies of the following documents ready with entity seal and signature of the authorized official. KYC documents of the entity. KYC documents of proprietor in case of proprietorship firm, all partners in case of partnership firm, any two directors in case of a company, Karta in case of HUF, chairman in case of trust or society. KYC documents of authorized personnel who will execute documents with RxIL, and KYC documents of the administrator who will receive the ID and password and operate the platform, and photographs of all the individuals whose KYC has been submitted. While filling up the application form, certain fields will get auto-populated on entering GST number. The rest of the fields need to be filled, and the system gives auto-response in case any column is left unfilled or filled with incomplete information. As you proceed with filling the registration form, you will receive an email from RxIL mentioning contact details of respective RxIL executive. Please mention your bank account details where you expect the funds to be credited. This account must be a CC or OD account. Continue with filling the details, and at the end of the form filling process, accept the declaration which appears on your screen. Download the CA certificate template and obtain it from your statutory chartered accountant on his letterhead mentioning UDIN number. Once RxIL executive has reviewed the documents and activated the templates, download the templates and follow the instructions provided in the email. Templates which are to be printed on letterhead are Notice of Assignment and Letter of Authority, or Board Resolution, or Partnership Declarations. Master Agreement is to be printed on ₹600 stamp paper. RxIL can also arrange for the stamp papers. Please speak to your assigned RxIL executive. Upload all entity KYC documents and entity supporting documents with entity seal and signature of authorized official. Upload all individual self-attested KYC documents. Upload the templates with entity seal and signature of authorized official. Make the payment of one-time registration fees as specified or as applicable. Dispatch all the hard copies to RxIL office. RxIL will do its internal due diligence and complete your TREDS registration. You will receive the membership code, login ID and password. These credentials are required to log into the TREDS portal. Dear customer, welcome to India's first TREDS platform, RxIL.